Yo, back again with another video. This one will be pretty quick. I just want to show you guys the latest Widebody charger we fully wrapped. This one is actually matte Sandstorm by Cheetah Wrap. You know, customer was thinking of going with the gloss one or the satin or the matte, but you know, I told him the matte gives it a, I don't know, it gives it like a very beefy look to it. Like in the night, it's gonna give it a whole different look. It's not a very clean color, I can tell you that, because just by touching it, it gives it fingerprints on it. So we gave him a suggestion to do a ceramic coat. So he's gonna be back in a couple months to do a ceramic coat to the whole car, you know, to keep it from getting dirty, water just slippering off, bird poop, whatever, you know. So I gave him the idea to do a hood wrap satin. The roof, the hood, the trunk, mirrors, handles, all in satin black by Avery Dennison, which is the best wrap. Anyways, so he liked the idea, so we went ahead and actually did the job. You know, this was pretty exciting because the kid is only like 17 or 18 years old, and today's Friday, and then tomorrow is actually prom. So you know, he told us, can you guys get it done before my prom? So today's Friday. He's gonna be here like in a couple maybe hours, maybe 1 hour or so. But yeah, so tomorrow's prom. So you know, that made me feel good. You get me? Like it just, I don't know, when I went to prom, I was trying to, you know, look good, so with my car or whatever. But imagine this one going to prom on a charger. It's like a dream. So check it out. Satin.